Donald Trump recently announced additional 25% tariff on India over its trade with Russia. India, however, has retaliated back, citing it America's double standards. In fact, and now a US court has ruled in that regard as well, saying that appeals court has ruled most of President Donald Trump's tariffs as illegal, striking down one of its signature economic tool. In fact, in a 7-4 decision that has now come by the Federal Circuit Court in Washington, it said that Trump overstepped his authority. In fact, this deals a major blow to President Trump's regime. He has been using as a foreign policy tool to pressurize countries to go his way. Now here the court is allowing the tariffs to remain in place until October 14th, which will of course give Donald Trump administration some time to appeal this verdict in the Supreme Court. Remember, this ruling comes amid a broader legal showdown that's taking place over the independence of Federal Reserve, potentially setting up a historic clash over Donald Trump's entire economic agenda. Trump, obviously reacting very swiftly on Truth Social, blasted the court's judgment as highly partisan and also warned of a total disaster if the tariffs are struck down. He's also expressed a confidence of a reversal of the decision at the hands of the conservative majority Supreme Court in the United States. Now, viewers, at the heart of the issue is whether the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, that's IEEPA, gives the US President authority to impose such tariffs or not. That's the issue that the Supreme Court is dealing with. And on that issue, the court said unequivocally it does not. In fact, the law written in 1977 was meant for national emergencies, not for trade wars, according to court. And Trump's use of the act marked the first time that a US president invoked it for tariffs, citing trade imbalances, a manufacturing decline, and also the cross-border flow of drugs. In fact, at this point, 8 lawsuits, multiple rulings now, and a Supreme Court showdown looms over this verdict. Markets are currently on edge, and important legal questions are also at stake, which could mean that the next step, which would be, of course, before the Supreme Court, could be the final showdown for Donald Trump's trade war. So this is the latest we're getting in, that a divided US appeals court has now ruled that most of Donald Trump's tariffs are illegal. It has struck down one of Donald Trump's signature economic tools. Remember, in a 7-4 decision, the Federal Circuit Court in Washington said that Donald Trump here overstepped his authority as US president. In fact, this very decision deals a major blow to the tariff regime Donald Trump has been using to pressurize allies and also adversaries and to try and reshape the trade dynamics globally. Now, in this case, the court has allowed the tariffs to remain in place until October 14, which of course will give time to Donald Trump administration to appeal this verdict in the Supreme Court. Remember, this ruling comes amid broader legal showdowns that are taking place over the independence of the Federal Reserve in the US. So this could potentially set up a historic clash over Donald Trump's economic agenda. So majorly, most of the decisions that Donald Trump has taken, they have been dragged into courts, and now it will be seen that how the Supreme Court reacts on this very decision of the Donald Trump to invoke this act and impose tariffs on allies and adversaries alike.